foundation so that it gets to my shade, to the shade that I want actually. So without highlighting. Here. Here and there. What is makeup? What is makeup without highlighting, guys? What is makeup without highlighting? You know, guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. If you like this video, you can share with your family and friends. If you're new here, don't forget to if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Insta handle below. Thank you so much for your support, for those who have been following me and for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Let's stay here, let's glam, let's learn, let's teach each other. Otherwise, that's all for today. Thank you so much. I love you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all. Bye.